Hey everybody, welcome to week 2 of our optional continuous online learning. This week, same as last week, my office hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I'll get back to you as soon as I can in that time frame. And if you email me at any other time during the day, I'll get back to you pretty quick as well. But just wanted to share those times with you again. This week, there is going to be an assignment location on our PowerSchool class page that you are able to submit your 3.1.3 project. So how you are going to submit that is in our Replit. So you will have completed it here, and then there is a share option, and then you will share the link. So click on that, right click, copy, come into our assignment, and then paste that link into the comments section and turn it in that way. So you'll be submitting a link for me right into this assignment section. So that is all I have for you this week. So hopefully, if you're choosing to do so, you've maybe got a little jump start on 3.1.3 project, and you could get that turned in to receive some feedback from me. Of course, this is all optional at this point, but just wanted to give you some opportunity to do some more coding and get some feedback. So if you ever have any questions or comments or concerns, don't be afraid to get a hold of me. Have a great week.